Maybe maybe her nails spread along.
Why this?
Person.
But it looks also, right? Not the same, huh? Nice, huh? The female thing is
Whoa! He tried to marry the girl.
one female, one is a male. Yeah.
Person.
Oh, this is the girl. Bad. 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 Bad.
Yeah, this one is.